congenital anomalies. And what we found is that the environmental, the VE, variance of environment, was a key element for congenital anomalies. We found actually down to the zip code, who were these kids, where they came from, and then upon more investigation, we found that this was historically a superfine wayside for dioxins. So by leveraging this equation, disorganized data, AI algorithms can be developed more effectively, enabling precise pattern recognition and predictive modeling. In the environmental section, you can actually add Agent Orange as a formal diagnosis element that causes prostate cancer.